Oh, Cecil, we're watching you. Are you playing Cookie Clicker? Are you playing Cookie Clicker? I love that game. Yes.
I'm not playing.
You're playing Cookie Clicker, Alan. What the? You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch. It's Mr. Grinch, everybody, right there. Ah! Hey, I'm playing texting. What?
Yep. It wasn't me.
No, it wasn't you.
No, it was me. That's racism. I'm joking, man. That's racism. I just like to burn people, man. I like to burn
Holocaust! Holocaust! I'm stalking everyone. I'm the best. So, Alan, what are you doing this weekend?
Plays.
That's nice. What? You're nice, you know? Blake. It's all your fault, Blake. It's all your fault. It's all your fault, Blake. It's all your fault. It's all your fault, Blake. What's he so happy about? Why is he so happy? I'm about taking pictures. I'm about to take a video. Oh.
Give me a damn second.
Why the fuck is he so happy? Want to find out? Watch my next video, Big Boss, The Bus, I Hate You, Part 2. Subscribe, like, bye.